Yeah, good evening. See, multi-threading completed. Synchronization introduction I given. Okay. What is synchronization? What is synchronization? It is a process of synchronization is a mechanism which allows only one thread at a time. Okay. See, how many ways are there to synchronize the code? 2 ways. What is first one? Synchronizing a method, synchronizing a block of code. Okay. See, if many requests comes to access a shared resource which allows only one thread at a time, that is synchronization. Okay, which allows only one thread at a time, that is synchronization. See, synchronization is a mechanism which allows to access a shared resource only one thread at a time. For example, I given printer example. Okay, printer and Google, these are some examples I given. Suppose railway reservation and bank applications also comes under synchronization. Suppose it is railway reservation server. Many requests comes to book the ticket. Many requests comes to book the ticket. Or first inquiry purpose also, how many berths are available. That is, many requests comes to server. Suppose you want to book the railway ticket from Hyderabad to Bangalore. You want to book the ticket Hyderabad to Bangalore. First of all, you are checking how many berths are available. You want to check. You want to check your just status. How many berths are available from Hyderabad to Bangalore in a Bangalore Express. You will send the request to check the status. Like this, not only you, some thousands of people, they'll send the request to check the status. Okay. You can book the railway ticket from mobile also. You can book the railway ticket from this system also, and railway agents also, railway reservation branches also. Many places are there. Okay. Now you'll send the request. How many berths are available? You are checking status. Now, like you, some thousands of people, they'll send the request. Suppose Hyderabad to Bangalore Express, only 5 berths are available. Assume. Then what will happen? 5 berths available. 5 berths available. Message passed. Response. 5 berths available. 5 berths available. Like this, response comes. Okay. 5 berths available. 5 berths available. Like this. Now, then what will happen? All people are ready to book the ticket. But how many people will get the ticket? 5 only. Because it allows one by one. It allows one by one. If at a time, if it is allowed, 5 berths only may be allotted to more than 10 also. Same berth may be allotted to 3 people also. That's what, while booking a ticket, allows one by one. While checking a status, all allowed at a time. So, if many requests comes to check the status, all at a time allowed. Booking a ticket, one by one allowed. Otherwise, same berth may be allotted to many people. So, synchronization required. Okay. Now, the type of applications are Java EE applications. Even not even advanced Java also. Java EE. Enterprise application, those all. At the time you learn, present, understanding synchronization purpose, one program I'll show you. For example, bank. Okay. Bank application, one example to understand synchronization. Suppose bank balance is 5,000. Assume that if 5,000 or 5 lakhs or 5 crores, leave it. Just you concentrate on concept. Okay. Now, here many customers will come to bank to do some transactions. Suppose customer 1, now he came to withdraw money. Suppose 8,000. Customer 2, he came to deposit money 6,000. Customer 3, he came to withdraw money 2,000. Customer 4, he came to deposit money about 10,000. Customer 5, he came to deposit money 2,000. Customer 6, he came to withdraw money 4,000. That is Many people are coming to bank to do some transactions. Okay. Now all requests comes to at a time. All requests comes to at a time. Then which allows one by one. That is called synchronization. That is called synchronization. But sometimes for completing transaction it is not possible. Suppose example, bank balance is 5,000. Now customer 1 is withdrawing 8,000. Is it possible to withdraw? No. So customer 1, he came to withdraw money 8,000, but it is not possible because balance is less. Okay. Either he has to bring the money from head office or he has to wait. Customer has to wait. In this situation, wait notify mechanism also required. I given already life cycle methods. Life cycle methods. Okay. Life cycle method, start method, run method, suspend method, resume method, wait method. These all you studied, no? Now, in this situation, listen. 2 members, you are not listening. You 2 members not listening class. Listen. You are not listening. My eyes on everyone. Okay. Now, see here in this program only, I'll show you wait and notify mechanism also. Suppose customer 1, he came to withdraw money 8,000, but it is not possible to withdraw because balance is less. So this customer, he will wait. He will wait. Okay. Next, this customer will finish the transaction. Then what will happen? It will become 11,000 because 6,000 deposited. 11,000. Now customer 1 waiting. Now, instead of taking customer 3, customer 1, customer 2 will notify to customer 1. Customer 2 will notify to customer 2. Customer 1. Then what will happen? Now withdraw possible. 8,000. 8,000 withdraw. Then 3,000. Like this. So, now 6 customers. 6 customers came at a time to bank. 6 customers, they came to bank at a time. Now that is called multi-threading, but which allows one by one. That is called synchronization. And first customer is waiting because balance is less. It is not possible to finish the transaction. That is wait. Customer 2 will finish the transaction. After that, he will notify to customer 1. That is called notify. See, in one program I'm going to show. In that program, multi-threading, synchronization, wait and notify mechanism. All at a time I'll show you. See. How to do this one, I'll show you. See. Now listen with more concentration, otherwise you cannot understand because I'm going to integrate multi-threading, synchronization, wait and notify. All I'm going to mix in a one program. All I'm going to mix in a one program. See. First of all, class, something bank. So class name is bank. So class name, open brace, close brace. Class bank. Here, balance, float. Balance equal to suppose 5,000. Balance is 5,000. Now here 2 methods. One is withdraw, one is deposit. Void, withdraw. One method. Void, deposit. One method. Now, if many requests comes to access at a time, if many requests comes to access this balance and withdraw deposit at a time, I want to allow only one by one. I want to allow only one person at a time. Then synchronization required. How many ways to synchronize the code? 2 ways. What is the first one? Synchronizing a method. Second one, synchronizing a block of code. So here just I'll write synchronized. Here I'll write synchronized. Okay. See, bank class balance is 5,000. There are two methods: withdraw method, deposit method. Okay. Listen with more concentration, otherwise you cannot understand. Because in a one program only, multi-threading, synchronization, wait and notify, all I am going to show. Okay. See, balance is float balance is 5,000. Okay. See, class name bank, balance is 5,000. There are two methods: withdraw method, deposit method. These two methods are synchronized. Okay, synchronization I given. Here, float amount, how much you want to withdraw. Deposit, float amount. Okay. Now, here, first of all, withdraw method logic we'll see. See, whenever control entered into withdraw method, one message. Withdraw started, one message. Okay. System.out.println, withdraw started, one message comes. Here, balance, which type of variable this is? Which type of variable? Is it instance variable or class variable or local variable? Instance variable. Amount is local variable. Now this instance variable, how many ways to access? What are those? Object reference. Which class object required? Bank class object required. Amount is which type of variable? How many ways to access? One way, that is directly. Okay. Now here, bank class object or a bank class reference required to access balance. Now here what I'll do, see, if balance less than amount, now balance is a instance variable, amount is a local variable, but I written like this: valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Valid. But balance is instance variable, no, either object or object reference required. How it is valid? Implicitly this keyword. Okay, implicitly this keyword. Amount directly. Amount is directly here, object reference is there. It doesn't appear to you because implicitly this keyword, without we can access. Now, if balance is less than amount, I want to display one message. Println less balance, waiting for deposit. One message. Okay. Here withdraw started message appears. Here withdraw started. Okay. Withdraw started, one message appears. Here less balance, waiting for deposit. Okay. Here wait method I'll call. Wait method in which class? Wait method in which class? Object class. Already I given diagram also, and even methods also. See, wait notify in which class? Object class. Now here wait, is it valid or not valid? Now if I call like this, valid or not valid? Valid? Sure. Wait method is instance method or class method? Instance method. Instance method. That is in which class? Object class. Here how it is valid? This dot. So this is a reference of which class? Bank class. Wait is a method of which class? How it is valid? No upcasting, no downcasting. Upcasting, downcasting means object or object reference if you assign. Is there an assignment? It is superclass method, subclass reference with inheritance valid. Here implicitly this dot. Now wait method, which class method? Object class. Bank class extends object. This is a reference of current object. Current nothing but bank. Using subclass object or a subclass reference, can I call superclass method? Yes, like that valid. No upcasting, no downcasting here. Whenever you pass parameters, then upcasting, downcasting comes. Whenever you assign, here, is there any object assigned? No. Object reference assigned? No. It is not upcasting, not downcasting. With inheritance only valid, that's it. So, here, wait method in superclass. This is a reference of subclass. So, using bank class reference, I'm calling wait method. Okay. Bank class reference is this. Superclass method is wait. Like that we are calling. This dot wait. It is valid. This also no need to write. It will wait. Suppose this condition is false. Then withdraw possible. That's what balance equal to balance minus amount. Withdraw completed. Message. System.out.println withdraw completed. Okay, withdraw completed on message. Now carefully listen here. Now, bank class instance variable balance. In a bank class, one instance variable balance are written. That is 5,000 initially. Okay. Withdraw method, it is synchronized, which allows only one thread at a time. Withdraw method is synchronized, which allows only one thread at a time. Like some amount comes here. Amount. How much amount you want to withdraw? Suppose here 8,000 comes. Then what will happen? Withdraw started, message displayed. Withdraw started, message displayed. After that, balance 5,000 less than 8,000. 5,000 less than 8,000. It is true. Then less balance waiting for deposit. Wait method called thread will wait. Thread will wait. That's it. When it will be started again? Whenever notify method is called. See, wait method if you call waiting until you notify, it will not run. It will not run. So wait method if it is called, thread will wait until you notify, it will wait only, because no time period here. Sleep method is time interval, but here no time interval. Until you call notify method, the thread will continuously, it will wait. Okay. It is waiting. Suppose withdraw request came to withdraw 2,000 only. 2,000. Then withdraw started, message displayed. Here 5,000 less than 2,000. False. Then balance equal to balance minus amount. Money deducted. Withdraw completed. So if balance is less, then only it will wait. Balance is less, then only it will wait. Now this is withdraw method. Okay. Deposit. Deposit method. System.out.println. Deposit started. Deposit started. Okay. Deposit, no need to check the balance. Always deposit allowed, no? So balance equal to balance plus amount. Okay. Now after that, system.out.println deposit completed. It's on message. Okay. After this, notify. Now, whenever this method is executed, this waiting thread will start. So waiting thread will start whenever notify method is called. Okay. Wait and notify. See, while running a thread, if you call wait method, it goes to waiting state. Until you call notify, it will not start. If you call notify, then it will start. But sleep method, after time interval, automatically started. So notify, until you notify, it is not called. But here, after time interval, automatically started. So this is wait notify difference. Now, suppose one request comes to deposit amount 2000. Deposit started, deposited, and deposit completed. Like this. Now it is bank class. It is one bank class. Suppose now two customers I am writing. Class customer 1. One more class customer 2. Okay. One more class demo class, main method. Public static void main string args. Now what I'll do, just you observe here. Now total 4 classes in this program you observe. 4 classes. Okay. See, one is bank class, one is customer 1 class, customer 2 class, demo class. Now here bank B equal to new bank. Bank class object created. Okay. Whenever bank class object is created, memory allocated to instance variable balance. Bank B equal to new bank. Bank class object created and then memory allocated to balance 5000. Okay. Now here customer 1 object I am creating. Customer 1 C1 equal to new customer 1. Customer 2 C2 equal to new customer 2. Now one bank object, two customers. Now two customers are going to use same bank, but two bank objects, two customer objects, if you create, customer 1 goes to bank 1, customer 2 goes to bank 2, then multi-threading not required, synchronization not required, wait notify not required. Okay. Now two customers are using same bank. Now bank is a resource. Customer 1 is on thread. Customer 2 another thread. 2 threads comes at a time to bank. Then I want to allow one by one. Then synchronization. Okay. Now bank 1, here bank object, here customer object, customer 1 object, customer 2 object. Now here in this line bank class object created. Now bank class constructor called. Is there any bank class constructor? No. Will it Java compiler implicitly provides? Yes, that is called. Okay. Now customer 1, here also customer 1 object created. Customer 2, here also customer 2 object created. Customer 1, customer 2. I didn't write any constructor. Implicitly Java compiler provides no that object, that constructor called. Now suppose if I write like this, is it valid? Is it valid? No. Here actually which constructor is going to be called in this line? Parametered constructor. Is there any parametered constructor? No. Will it Java compiler provides parameter constructor? No. It is not valid. Okay. Suppose myself I am writing customer 1 integer x. Is it valid? Yes, it is valid. Okay. Now here what I'll do, see here 5.2f I'll write. Is it valid? No, it is not valid. Then what we ought to write here? Here float we ought to write. Okay. Suppose here ABC I'll write. Is it valid? No. Here what we ought to write? Here compulsory string required. Okay. Suppose here I am passing true. It should be Boolean. Okay. Now it should be Boolean. Now I am passing B. What is B? Okay. If it is like this, what you have to write? We have to write character. It should be char. Now I'll remove double quotes. Single quotes I'll remove. What is this B? That is bank class reference. Then what we have tried here? Is it valid character? Is it valid character? No. What we have tried? Now, this is which class reference? Integer is there, integer we are writing. Float is there, float we are writing. Char is there, char we are writing. Now I written B. What we have to write? We have to write bank. Bank type that is. Okay. Now it is bank class reference. It is bank class reference. Now what is B? You are already created. B is a bank class reference. Okay. Bank B equal to new bank. So B is a small b is a bank class reference. It is not a character. Character means single quotes. Now here I passed B. B nothing but bank class reference. Okay. Now what is this B? Object reference. Which class reference? Bank class reference. Okay. It is a bank class reference. Can I call this reference is a variable? Yes or no? Is it instance variable or class variable or local variable? What is it? Local variable. Now what is X here now? X also local variable. Now what is X? It is also bank class reference. Now can I write here also B? Yes or no? Yes, that is local there. This is local here. Same name also you can write. Okay, it is valid. Now same B I am passing here. Same B I am passing here. Then here also what we record? Customer to bank B. Now there is only one bank object. That object reference I pass it to customer 1 constructor, customer 2 constructor. Customer 1, customer 2 using same bank. Customer 1 and customer 2 both are using same bank. Okay. The two members using same bank but coming at a time. Coming at a time means multi-threading. How many ways to create multi-thread application? 2 ways. What are those? By extending java.lang.thread class. Second one, by implementing java.lang.runnable interface. Now, you already studied steps also to develop multi-threading application. Now it is multi-threading required. Now, first step, this customer 1, customer 2, both are using bank, but both are coming at a time. Coming at a time means multi-threading. Allowing one by one means synchronization. Okay. Coming at a time. So that is multi-threading. We have tried multi-threading. What we have tried? First steps I given. What is the first step? Create a class that extends java.lang.thread class. Now customer 1. What do you tried? Extends thread. That is first step. What is second step? Override run method. We have to override public void run. Okay. Now run method. So first step extends thread. Second step override run method. What is third step? Write child thread task code in a run method. Now I want to call withdraw method. I want to call withdraw method. B.withdraw. Suppose 8,000. Now my question is, this line is valid or not valid? Give me answer. Now that line is valid or not valid? First of all, withdraw method in which class? Bank class. Withdraw method instance method or class method? Instance method. How many ways to access? 2 ways. What are those? Object reference. Okay. Which class reference required? Bank class. Now B is the reference of which class? Bank class. Now that line is valid or not valid? Give me answer. That B is the instance variable or class variable or local variable? Which variable? Local variable. Now give me answer. It is valid or not valid? Now this line is valid or not valid? Now give me answer. That line is valid or not valid? Year B is there. Okay. Year B is there. Year B is there. Now this B which type of variable? Local variable. Local variable scope is within the method only. This is outside the main method. Can we access? No. This local variable can we access here? Can we access? No. That means is it valid or not valid? It is not valid. This is also local. Can we? This is only within the constructor we can access. Outside not possible. Okay. Now this variable I passed as a parameter here. This B copied here. Copied. But this is also within the constructor only can access. Within the constructor only. Outside the constructor can we access? No. Outside the customer one constructor we cannot access that B. Okay. Now bank B. I'm writing. Now this is which type of variable? Is it instance variable or class variable or local variable? What is that? Instance variable. This is which type of variable? If you want to, if you both are same name, if you want to access instance variable, what do you write? This dot B equal to B. Clear? Now this B can I access here? Now it is valid. What do you mean? Actually, what is happening? You observe bank class object created here. That object referred by B. That means this B I am passing to customer one constructor. This B copied into in this B. That B I am accessing here. At last the same class object. That object only copied. That's it. Hash code copied. At last that object only we are accessing. Okay. Because this B we cannot access here. What I did? I passed it as a parameter. I passed it as a parameter. But directly you can pass to run method. But run method is overriding method. Overriding method must be signature must match, no? That's what we cannot pass. That's what here. Run method also, that too we are not calling. Start method if you call, run is called automatically. You cannot pass also like that. That is the reason this bank reference I am passing to customer one constructor. It will receive. That is copied here. This is we are accessing here. Now it is valid. Okay. Now here explicitly this keyword required because local variable, instance variable same. But here this keyword required to write? No. It is implicitly. Okay. Now here say customer extends thread. First step. Second step, override run method. Third step, write child thread task code. Fourth step, main method. Main method already be written. Next, create an object of current class. Now here current class demo class. But demo class we are not using. This class constructor object customer one we are creating. With this customer one, it's called start method. C1.start. Start method implicitly calls run method. It is going to call. Run method calls withdraw method. Withdraw method here comes. Withdraw method will use balance. But at the same time customer 2 will come. So here also what you have tried? Customer 2 extends thread. Here also public void run. Here also bank B. Here this dot B equal to B. Here B dot deposit. Suppose 5,000. Here C2 dot start. Okay. Now see, this program is 57 lines. Now you observe. First main method called demo class loaded. Now demo class loaded. Open brace executed. Main method called open brace executed. Bank class object created. Then memory allocated to instance variable balance. 5,000 memory allocated. After this, customer one object created. Then constructor called. This is called. That B copied ERB. This B copied ERB. Nothing but same bank object here. Start method calls run method. This customer one run method called. Withdraw. Request comes to withdraw method here. Withdraw started, less balance, wait. It will wait. Here, second customer. It is simultaneously running. Both are multi-threading. Now multi-threaded. Customer 2. Here again. This is executed. Run method called deposit. Deposit request comes. Here. Deposited. After that notify. This waiting thread will start. Again executed. Withdraw completed. Like this it works. Now customer 1, customer 2 using same bank. One customer withdrawing, one customer depositing. But customer withdraw method, deposit method also balance is same balance, no? Balance variable is same. That is shared resource. Bank balance is shared resource. Both the customers using at a time. That is multi-threading. It is allowing one by one synchronization. But balance is less, waiting. See, if I run, file, save. Java C, demo.java. Now, wait method throws exception. Compulsory try catch block. File, save. See, first what is happened, see, withdraw started, less balance, waiting for deposit, deposit started, deposit completed, later withdraw completed. Now actually, withdraw request came first or deposit request came first? Withdraw request came, but first which task is finished? Deposit. Reason? Less balance, okay? Now, suppose by mistake you didn't write notify. Assume you didn't write notify. Now, file, save, compilation, execution. Now, still withdraw continuously waiting only. See, withdraw not completed, you observe. It is not notified. That's what compulsory you have to notify. Okay. Notify. So here withdraw, notify, like this you have to call. See, file, save. Now compilation, execution. See, first withdraw request came. That's what withdraw started. But balance is less. That's what it is waiting for deposit. Deposit started. deposit completed, after that notified, then withdraw completed. Okay. Suppose here instead of 8,000, 3,000 withdraw. 3,000 withdraw. Is it possible or not withdrawing? Possible. See, it will not wait. It will not wait. Compilation, execution. Withdraw started, withdraw completed. Deposit started, deposit completed. So which request came first? Withdraw. Which is finished first? Withdraw. Balance is sufficient. That's what completed. If balance is less, it will wait. Insufficient is there, it will wait. Okay. This is a program. See, suppose again 6,000 I'll make it. Now it will wait. See, compilation. Withdraw started. First withdraw request came. Less balance, waiting for deposit. Deposit started, deposit completed. After that, withdraw completed. Now, withdraw request, deposit request, both coming at a time. Multi-threading. Allowing one by one. Synchronization. Balance is less, waiting. Okay. Now, write this program. Program to demonstrate synchronization or program to demonstrate wait and notify methods. Write this one. I'll explain. Again, I'll explain. First, after writing, I'll explain. Difference? Then multi-threading is synchronization is not required. Put a balance. Now it is understanding purpose. Actually, this is no customer, no bank because enterprise application. It is just a synchronize keyword wait notify purpose I explained. Actual real-time application, how it will be, one server we have to take. In advanced Java EE enterprise application server required. And two customers, nothing but two solid programs you have to write. Like that we have to send a request. It is just understanding purpose I given. It is actually enterprise application. Like a customer one, customer two, nothing but two HTML programs you have to write, solids you have to write, JSP you have to write, like that required. Each enterprise Java beans required. It understanding synchronization word wait notify method purpose I explained. Real time means server record, database record, then request, multiple requests comes, it allows one by one. That type. Program to demonstrate synchronization or program to demonstrate wait and notify methods. Like override run method deposit task will be different. No? Task is it is same. Your previous class you studied. No? Task is same. Objects. Task is different. Classes. Multi-threading 2-3 programs I explained. No? Task is same. Objects. Task is different. Classes. That's what two separate classes. Not over. Now, is it over? C. Is it completed? See, in this program, multi-threading is there, synchronization is there, wait and notify methods also are there. Okay. See, once again, I'll explain. Just listen. Demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed, bank class object created. Whenever bank class object is created, memory allocated to instance variable balance 5000 memory balance is memory 5000 allocated, that is stored in a variable. After that, customer one class object created. I passed bank class reference as a parameter to customer one. Same style, same bank object I passed to customer two also, because both the customers are using same bank. One bank, two customers. One bank, two customers. But two banks, two customers, if we create, multi-threading not required, synchronization not required. That's what one bank, two customers. The two customers coming at a time. That's what multi-threading. Okay. Here bank class object created. Customer one object created. Then this constructor called. This constructor what purpose I'm using? Just to access the bank reference in the run method. That purpose only this bank. Okay. Now customer one started. Customer two started. Customer one start method calls run method. Here withdraw method called. Here deposit method called. But deposit and withdraw methods are in bank class. Withdraw method also using balance. Even deposit method also using balance. Balance is a shared resource. Two threads at a time accessing, allowing one by one. That's what synchronization code I written. Synchronized. If balance is less, then only it will wait. Balance is more, it will not wait. Condition I given. Okay. Now, suppose if I remove synchronized, what will happen? See, error comes because wait notify methods must be used in synchronized area. See, compilation success, but execution error. See, illegal monitor state exception. Current thread is not a owner. See, illegal monitor state exception. Here, why we are getting this error is now wait notify method. If we here wait notify method, one thread will wait, another thread will notify. But this is only possible in synchronization area. That's what you are getting error. Just note wait and notify methods. Wait and notify methods must be used in synchronized area. Otherwise, illegal monitor state exception will be thrown. Wait and notify methods must be used in synchronized area. Otherwise, illegal monitor state exception will be thrown. Wait and notify methods must be used in synchronized area. Otherwise, illegal monitor state exception will be thrown. So actually, wait, notify, 1 minute. Is it over? You have seen here. This is called state, born state. It is ready state. It is running state. It is dead state. It is sleeping state, suspend state, wait state. This state, illegal state, it should be in synchronized only possible. Otherwise illegal. But these all without synchronization also works. That is the reason this error coming. Illegal monitor state. The state must be in synchronization area. That is the reason. If without synchronization is there, illegal state. Okay. Here, if you write synchronization, then only we can access. Now, suppose 6,000 withdrawing. Balance is less or more? Balance is less. Amount is 6,000. Balance is 5,000. So, compilation, execution. Withdraw started, but balance is 5,000. amount is 6,000. Balance is less. That's what less balance waiting for deposit. Deposit started, deposit completed, withdraw completed. So first withdraw request only came, but balance is less. That's what deposit started. After completion of deposit, it is notified to waiting thread. Then withdraw completed. Okay. See here. Where is multi-threading? How you identified here multi-threading is there? Extend thread. Extends thread. So 2 threads are there. Like that 5 threads also you can write. Customer 1, customer 2, like otherwise what you can do? Customer, this customer objects, 2, 3 objects you can create. This customer 2, 3 objects you can create. Then that is also multi-threading. But why I written 2 classes separate is, one task is withdraw, one task is deposit. Suppose 2 customers are using withdraw, 10 customers are using withdraw. Is it 2 separate class record? No. One class, many objects you can create. Many objects. Task is different. Here withdraw is there, here deposit is there. Different task. That's what 2 separate classes are written. Now, this run method is called whenever you call start method. Start method implicitly calls run method. This start method calls implicitly run method. That run method will call withdraw. This run method will call deposit. Like that I written. Okay. So up to here, multi-threading synchronization also completed. So only last topic, one topic, that is new features. Okay. Now you observe Java versions. How many versions are there? See. In a Google Java version history, if you type first website only, you observe Wikipedia site, Java version history. Now you observe JDK beta version introduced in 1995, 1.0 officially released in 1996. Now see, like this, how many versions are there? See, latest version 18. Okay, here pink color old versions, pink color old versions, yellow color also old version, still maintained. So these are still maintaining. Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. So 8, 11, 17 still they are maintaining, but pink color old version not maintaining. So if you want to download old version pink color, it is not possible to download also. The link also removed. But still 8, 11, 17 still available. Reason you observe LTS is there. Long time support. Long time support. So long time support. Long time support versions only still they are maintaining. Now latest version green color, that is 18. Recently released. March 2022. Blue color, future release, 19, 20, 21. Dates also announced. You observe. 19 is going to come September 2022. 20 coming March 2023. 21 coming September 2023. So every 6 months new version coming, you observe. Every 6 months, March, September. See, since 2-3 years. See, March, September, March, September, March, September. Every 6 months new version. After 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 long time support. So after 18 also they'll remove, 19 also they'll remove, 20 also they'll remove, 21 they'll place. Long time. So here you observe. This is still 8 is available. 8 is available up to 2030. So up to 2030 it is available. Okay. So year 11 2026 only. Okay. 17 2029, like this 2028 they are going to update. So because long time support, these versions only in real time projects we can use. Now either 17 or 11 or 8. But remaining version they are not using in real time. Okay. Now present version 18. Now 1.0 to 1.1. What are the new features came? 1.1 to 1.2. What are the new features came? List of features up to 18. I'll give list also. Which are the features already covered? That is I'm not covering in. Which are not covered, I'll teach. Okay. That is I'll give in tomorrow class. Okay. This is long time support versions only. Real time projects you have to use. And the remaining you should not use real time. That meaning. That is company given like that. Now these features list I'll give tomorrow. Some features already covered. Support try with resource statement already covered. And covariant return type already covered. Enhanced for loop already covered. Some features already covered. Okay. Which are not covered, those all I'll teach. The list I'll give tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll explain. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. So it will take 1 more week. 1 week. New features also 1 week it will take. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Advanced Java batch not yet decided. I'll inform. Advanced Java not yet decided. Same time may or may not yet decided. I'll inform. They'll decide. Management people only decide. I'll inform. Okay. Yes, testing you can attend. Advanced Java also you can attend. Up to exception handling only required. Up to exception handling knowledge required to attend Advanced Java and testing. We'll see continuation tomorrow.